Hello guys, Cold Sniper here from XAUUSD, and let's begin our analysis of XAUUSD, that is today 27th July 2023. Before we begin our analysis, let's just go through what did I say yesterday. Yesterday, I had told day before yesterday I had made this analysis. That was for yesterday. That gold is sell on rise below 1970 as long as it is below the channel. Only above the channel will it become buy on dips. The second thing I told that gold on daily chart did not close above the channel, so it looks like a pullback, and we can see a breakdown tomorrow. Okay, that was I said. Then the third thing I said that in the American session will decide the direction of the gold. The fourth thing I said that dollar index was at a critical level. If it gives a breakout, then expect gold to fall further. And the final point and the most important point I told you that big players are buying gold on dips before FOMC. So day before yesterday, we had seen that the big operators were creating artificial falls, and they were buying the quantity. They were accumulating basically the quantity. Okay, so the big players are on the buy side. On the technical basis, if you look at the chart was sell on the rise. Now let's just cover each point what I said right now. So if you will see all these falls that you are seeing over here, okay, this price dip till 1967, okay, this was yesterday, the till sorry price dip till 65 and then rebounded. Okay, this was all artificial fall created by the operators. Okay, and uh, to accumulate quantity I had told. And one more thing I told you, the dollar index I told you yesterday was at a critical level. Now if you will see the dollar index is falling. It's yesterday it was somewhere around 101.50. Now it is around 100.90, so it is falling. So it is giving more leg room for other currencies and gold to go up. It's a very good sign for gold that the dollar index is weakening. Okay, similarly, we'll just go through other currencies also. See, euro is also gaining grounds. We'll take the GBP. Yes, GBP is also bullish, and the Japanese yen also. We'll see. Yes, that is also the dollar is weakening against the Japanese yen also. So all bullish signs only I can see right now for gold. All green flags we can see. Brent should also strengthen, and you can see Brent is also strengthening because Brent is a commodity, and generally when dollar weakens, Brent strengthens. Okay, so now we have covered that. We will also cover for gold what happened yesterday. Okay, I want to do a quick recap of what happened yesterday. So yesterday, I want to reason I want to recap is because I want to tell you what went right and what went wrong. Okay, so I'll just show you. So in my public group, if you will see, here I had told that my first trade hit target. Second trade would also have hit the target if I had, not told you to exit. But I told you to exit so that to save your capital only. Okay, but if I had not told you to exit, then also it would have come to target. Third trade also came to target. It was superb. Okay, our yesterday's analysis. Okay, let's just quickly go through that. I'll just show you guys. Okay, what all trades I had given yesterday. So yeah, so from here onwards, the videos, the yesterday's starts. Yesterday, I had first thing which I told you that DXY is at a very critical level. Okay, uh, the I told you that today is a very confusing day, and there were many conflicting factors behind it. Reason being, DXY, was a critical level. It was at a resistance. Whether it will give a breakout or breakdown, that was the confusion. Euro was looking like it will go into bounce back, okay, and may rally upwards. I had written GBP, JPY, and but I also wrote that gold is bearish below 1970, but big players were on the buy side. Okay, so much confusing factors were there. After that, final thing I wrote, gold is sell on rise below 1970, but big players are buying on dips. And I wrote, we will follow the footsteps of the big guys, assuming they know more about the market. the big guys bought gold in the range of 1960 and 1950. Hence, if price dips to these levels, we will attempt buy. So basically, I said over here that we should follow the steps of the big guys because they know more about, they have more money, okay, to manipulate the markets, take it as they wish, and they have more insider information as well. So definitely these guys, if we on chart we see they are manipulating prices and taking entry, we should follow these guys. That's what I said. And that's how I gave my very first trade, that is T1, layer buy gold between 63 to 59, stop loss 1958. Okay, and this was how I had done the layering placement. Okay, my target was 65. Okay, I had given 30 to 20 to 50 pips. Okay, and here I told that euro USD was getting ready for a breakout. Okay, and I had written, if euro USD, I had written over here, euro USD then gave a breakout, and after that I wrote, uh, somewhere over here I had written that gold will fly if euro USD gives a breakout. Okay, but anyways, that I think it must be in my other chat group. Okay, so gold was perfectly following euro USD, as you can see. Okay, as euro USD was flying, gold also started flying. Okay, and in one short candle you got a move till like, almost 70, no, 80, 90 pip move you got from there. Okay, gold flew basically. All right. So our T1 was a greatly success, way more, as you can see, way more successful. Okay, so after that, yeah, I'll show you somewhere over here. 1969, it went till like 1972 also. So after that, what happened after euro gave a breakdown? My second trade we were waiting for. The second trade I gave just after the news at 5:30. Okay, so that was over here. I'll just show you. Yeah, this building permits data, it came negative. Okay, and my expectation was price should go down. Okay, but yeah, over here if you'll see, I'd given T2 sell gold 1972 to 77, target SL 1970, target 20 to 50 pips. Okay, but the problem was that that the euro was rising, which is a bullish sign. Okay, and I had given a sell call, and I didn't want your stop loss to get hit unnecessary. That's why I told you guys to sell. But ironically, what happened was, in the end, gold came down without hitting our SL. Should have actually waited. Okay, then so that trade I wouldn't count as success because I told you guys to enter, but then I only told you to exit. Okay, so my side mistake. But then the third data came. You can see it was in favor of dollar. Okay, but gold had already crashed, and when this crash came, I'll tell you, I knew this was artificially engineered because other currencies were not falling as much. It was just gold giving such a huge fall. So I had a doubt this was nothing more than an operator game. So that's when I gave my final trade. Okay, so this was my final trade over here. Final trade buy at 1967, stop loss 1962, target 30 to 50 pips. And if you will see, quick it gave, 67 I had told, so 10 pips it gave quickly. Okay, but it again came down. Operator, again came down to test the buyers. Okay, hit their stop losses. Okay, so this formed a W sort of pattern. Okay, and if you see the movement now, operator, I had already predicted that operator will take the price slowly till 1970. Okay, in my chat group only I had predicted this, that I'll just show you where I had told. I'm just showing you from my chat group message. I had written once again. I'll show you. See, here I had written, I think operator, someone asked me what next. Okay, I told that time, I was telling them, see, go, it will form, euro will form a sort of like a W pattern and go up. And similarly, gold should also form a, gold was also forming a similar W pattern. And that's when someone asked what next, I told, I think operator will slowly creep up price till 1970, 70, after that big blast off. And as you can see, okay, now we'll go to our public chat. I'll show you. So as you can see, after that, gold gave a blast off. Okay, see 1970. Okay, after 1970, see the blast. 1973 almost. Okay, this actually, see, you can see such a huge rally. This actually went till this touched 1975 and then gave a correction. Okay, so that was a 100 pip rally. Okay, I had told in my group that my final trade was a 100 pip up move. Okay, so we were, it went amazing, and after that, so out of all the three trades given, all three trades were correct, but second trade I only told to exit, so I'm not counting that. And after that, then there was the FOMC meeting. Okay, in the FOMC meeting, if you will see, okay, I heard it, but wasn't paying very specific attention. All I something over there which he said, which I'm not sure, but that he came out as dovish. Okay, that's why the, if you will see today, dollar index is weakening. Okay, you can see DXY has taken resistance. Okay, and it is coming down, so it's a good sign for gold and other currencies. And right now, if you will see on gold, yeah, we are inside this channel. Okay, very likely possible, I'll still bet that if today's news and everything, news factors and everything is favorable, gold can definitely go out to about today itself about 2000. I'm very sure today itself we can see gold about 2000. Okay, so let's just cover what can be done for gold today. Now on daily basis, gold is, managed to again re-enter this channel. I'll just extend this channel lines. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, we have extended this channel, and gold has managed to basically re-enter the channel. Okay, so once, like I said, if it once it re-enters, one more thing I wanted to point you, if this channel, if you will see this channel, this is forming a head and shoulder pattern. If you ignore this channel, I'll just show you this part also. I had actually predicted, gold was forming a head and shoulder sort of pattern also. I'll just still, no worries, I'll still point out to you guys. Okay, so yeah, over here. So if you'll see, gold was forming a head and shoulder pattern like this. Okay, and it now has, it is now giving a breakout above the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so two bullish things I wanted to tell you guys right now. Right now, everything is in favor of dollar. For today, I will tell you, the dollar index is falling, euro is rising, all other currencies are appreciating against the dollar. Okay, gold has re-entered the channel, and if it consolidates above 1980, I am very sure it will, by today evening, it will smash through 1985 and 2000 levels also. So for today, our plan is very simple. We need to see whether gold closes about 1980 or not. If gold closes and consolidates about 1980, I am very sure we will fly up. So it is, I will say that gold is buy on dips above 1975. So right now I'll mark the major level, that is 1975. Any pullback at this level, if you will see, okay, it is best idea to buy at this level, not sell. Okay, that is my analysis for today. Okay, that above 1975 we will keep a buy on dips view. Okay, and below 1975 we will sell gold. Okay, so that's all I want to say right now. Okay, I'll remaining the main important points and everything I will cover in my I'll make a summary and, share it with you guys on my Telegram channel as well. So do like, share, and subscribe if you're liking my analysis, and please join my Telegram channel as well if you want more info and everything as well. Thank you then.